Hello students, welcome to Future Talent Academy Jamshoro. Students, today we will learn computer software. So what is computer software? Basically, computer software is a set of programs or instructions that tell a computer what to do. There are two main types of software. First, system software. It runs a computer. For example, operating system like Windows. Second is application software. It helps users do tasks. Example, MS Word, Paint, browser. Examples, we use MS Word to write documents. Or we use a browser to open websites. We use games for entertainment. So remember, without software, a computer is useless. Software makes the computer useful and functional. For more educational videos, follow Future Talent Academy, Jamshoro. Thank you.